Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Connect your TV and phone to the same Wi-Fi network before you begin. Restart both devices to clear temporary network issues if needed. Install or update the Zee5 app on your phone or tablet first. Sign into your Zee5 account and confirm playback works on the phone. Enable screen mirroring or casting on your smart TV or streaming dongle. Confirm the TV input or app is ready to accept a cast or screen share signal. Open the Zee5 app and tap the cast icon to connect to Chromecast. Choose your Chromecast device name from the list and accept the connection on the TV if prompted. Start playback inside Zee5 and control volume and seek from your phone. Use Android Screen Cast if the Zee5 cast icon is unavailable for full screen mirroring. Confirm both devices stay on the same Wi-Fi band for stable streaming. Stop casting from the notification shade. Use AirPlay by opening Control Center and selecting screen mirroring to your Apple TV. Start playback in the Zee5 app and keep the phone unlocked to maintain the stream. If your TV supports AirPlay too, follow on-screen prompts to pair the device quickly. Use an HDMI Lightning adapter for a wired mirror if AirPlay is not supported or network reliability is poor. Test audio routing and TV input selection before full playback. Disconnect AirPlay via Control Center or unplug.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.